A walk around my neighborhood. Every morning I go for a walk in my neighborhood. It's a quiet place and there is a big park near my house. Inside the park, there are many trees and flowers. Sometimes there is a man playing the guitar under a tree. There are also children playing and people walking their dogs. Near the park, there is a small cafe. It's my favorite place to sit and read. Across the street, there are 2 bakeries. There are always fresh breads and cakes in the window. But not everything is perfect. There isn't a supermarket close by. There aren't many buses in the morning.
Is there a gym in the area?
No, there isn't.
Are there any good restaurants around?
Yes, there are.
Aren't there more shops nearby?
No, there aren't, unfortunately. In the past, things were different. There was a grocery store just around the corner. There were more buses, too. There wasn't any traffic. There weren't so many buildings.
Was there a cinema near the park?
Yes, there was.
Were there many trees back then?
Yes, there were.
Wasn't there a bookstore across the street?
Yes, but it closed.
Weren't there more places to sit and relax?
Yes, there were. In the future, I hope there will be a metro station here. There will be new cafes and shops. There won't be so much noise, I think. There won't be traffic like today.
Will there be more bike paths?
Yes, I hope so.
Will there be a library?
Maybe.
Won't there be a gym?
I don't know.
Won't there be more parks?
Yes, there will. If I could change something, there would be a gym in the park. There would be more bike paths. There wouldn't be so many cars. There wouldn't be noise at night.
Would there be a place to read?
Yes, a bookstore.
Would there be cafes by the lake?
That would be perfect.
Wouldn't there be more time to relax?
Yes, there would.
Wouldn't there be space for a garden?
Sure, a beautiful one. Still, I love this neighborhood. There is peace, there are friendly people, and there is always something beautiful to see.
Like and subscribe to the channel.